The regions of Canada. Question 1. Canada is which largest country in the world? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fourth. Correct answer is B. Second. Explanation. Canada is the second largest country on Earth. Question 2. Which ocean is found in the west of Canada? A. Pacific. B. Atlantic. C. Arctic. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Pacific. Explanation. Three oceans line Canada's frontiers: the Pacific Ocean in the west, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, and the Arctic Ocean to the north. Question 3. How many ocean lines surround Canada? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Correct answer is B. 3. Explanation. Three oceans line Canada's frontiers: the Pacific Ocean in the west, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, and the Arctic Ocean to the north. Question 4. Along the southern edge of Canada lies the A. Arctic Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Canada-United States boundary. D. Greenland. Correct answer is C. Canada-United States boundary. Explanation. Along the southern edge of Canada lies the Canada-United States boundary. Question 5. How many distinct regions does Canada contain? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Correct answer is D. 5. Explanation. Canada includes many different geographical areas and 5 distinct regions. Question 6. Which Canadian province lies in the East region? A. Prairie Province. B. Atlantic Province. C. Central Canada. D. Yukon. Correct answer is B. Atlantic Province. Explanation. Atlantic provinces found in the East region of Canada. The national capital. Question 7. Which of the following is the capital of Canada? A. Ontario. B. Ottawa. C. Quebec City. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Ottawa. Explanation. Ottawa, located on the Ottawa River, was chosen as the capital in 1857 by Queen Victoria, the great-great-grandmother of Queen Elizabeth II. Question 8. Ottawa was chosen as the capital in A. 1857. B. 1875. C. 1845. D. 1834. Correct answer is A. 1857. Explanation. Ottawa, located on the Ottawa River, was chosen as the capital in 1857 by Queen Victoria, the great-great-grandmother of Queen Elizabeth II. Question 9. Ottawa was chosen as the capital of Canada in 1857 by A. Queen Elizabeth I. B. Queen Elizabeth II. C. Queen Victoria. D. King Charles II. Correct answer is C. Queen Victoria. Explanation. Ottawa, located on the Ottawa River, was chosen as the capital in 1857 by Queen Victoria, the great-great-grandmother of Queen Elizabeth II. Question 10. Today, which of the following is the fourth largest metropolitan area of Canada? A. Montreal. B. Vancouver. C. Ottawa. D. Ontario. Correct answer is C. Ottawa. Explanation. Today Ottawa is Canada's fourth largest metropolitan area. Question 11. The area that surrounds Ottawa is known as the A. National Capital Region. B. National Canadian Region. C. National Territorial Region. D. National Queen's Region. Correct answer is A. National Capital Region. Explanation. the National Capital Region, 4,700 square kilometers surrounding Ottawa, preserves and enhances the area's built heritage. Provinces and territories. Question 12. How many provinces does Canada consist of? A. 5. B. 10. C. 15. D. 20. Correct answer is B. 10. Explanation. Canada has 10 provinces and 3 territories. Question 13. How many territories does Canada consist of? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Correct answer is B. 3. Explanation. Canada has 10 provinces and 3 territories. Population. Question 14. Canada population is around A. 20 million people. B. 24 million people. C. 30 million people. D. 34 million people. Correct answer is D. 34 million people. Explanation. Canada has a population of about 34 million people. Atlantic provinces. Question 15. The Atlantic region contains how many provinces? A. 4. B. 3. C. 5. D. 6. Correct answer is A. 4. Explanation. Atlantic provincial region contains 4 provinces. Question 16. Newfoundland and Labrador is the oldest colony of the A. German Empire. B. British Empire. C. French Empire. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. British Empire. Explanation. Newfoundland and Labrador is the oldest colony of the British Empire. Question 17. Which of the following is the smallest province of the Atlantic region? A. Newfoundland and Labrador. B. Prince Edward Island. C. Alberta. D. Yukon. Correct answer is B. Prince Edward Island. Explanation. Prince Edward Island is the smallest province of the Atlantic region. Question 18. Which of the following is considered to be the gateway to Canada? A. Newfoundland and Labrador. B. Prince Edward Island. C. Nova Scotia. D. New Brunswick. Correct answer is C. Nova Scotia. Explanation. Nova Scotia is considered to be the gateway to Canada. Question 19. Which of the following is the home of Canada's largest naval base as well as contains the largest east coast? A. Newfoundland and Labrador. B. Prince Edward Island. C. Nova Scotia. D. New Brunswick. Correct answer is C. Nova Scotia. Explanation. Nova Scotia is the homeland of Canada's largest naval base. Question 20. Which of the following is the only official bilingual province, and contains about 1/3 of the population living and working in French? A. Newfoundland and Labrador. B. Prince Edward Island. C. Nova Scotia. D. New Brunswick. Correct answer is D. New Brunswick. Explanation. New Brunswick is the only official bilingual province. Question 21. Which of the following contains the second largest river system on North America's Atlantic coastline, St. John River System? A. Newfoundland and Labrador. B. Prince Edward Island. C. Nova Scotia. D. New Brunswick. Correct answer is D. New Brunswick. Explanation. New Brunswick contains the St. John River System. Question 22. Which of the following is the largest city in the Atlantic region of Canada present in New Brunswick? A. St. John. B. Victoria. C. Halifax. D. Iqaluit. Correct answer is A. St. John. Explanation. St. John is the largest city in the Atlantic region of Canada. Question 23. Which cities have the most easterly points in North America and also have their own time zone? A. Newfoundland and Labrador. B. New Brunswick. C. Yukon. D. Alberta. Correct answer is A. Newfoundland and Labrador. Explanation. Newfoundland and Labrador is the most easterly point in North America and has its own time zone. Question 24. Which of the following is the home to over 700 annual festivals, including the spectacular military tattoo in Halifax? A. Nova Scotia. B. New Brunswick. C. Newfoundland and Labrador. D. Prince Edward Island. Correct answer is A. Nova Scotia. Explanation. Nova Scotia is home to over 700 annual festivals, including the spectacular military tattoo in Halifax. Question 25. Which of the following is a story about the adventures of a little red-headed orphan girl set in Prince Edward Island by Lucy Maud Montgomery? A. Anne of Green Gables. B. Lucy of Green Gables. C. Matilda of Green Gables. D. Leona of Green Gables. Correct answer is A. Anne of Green Gables. Explanation. Anne of Green Gables, set in PEI by Lucy Maud Montgomery, is a much-loved story about the adventures of a little red-headed orphan girl. Question 26. Which is the most populous Atlantic province? A. New Brunswick. B. Prince Edward Island. C. Nova Scotia. D. Newfoundland and Labrador. Correct answer is C. Nova Scotia. Explanation. Nova Scotia is the most populous Atlantic province. Question 27. Prince Edward Island, PEI, is the smallest province, known for its beaches, red soil and agriculture, especially A. Oil. B. Potatoes. C. Marbles. D. Coal. Correct answer is B. Potatoes. Explanation. Prince Edward Island, PEI, is the smallest province, known for its beaches, red soil and agriculture, especially potatoes. Question 28. What fraction of the population in New Brunswick, the only officially bilingual province in Canada, lives and works in French? A. 1/2. B. 1/3. C. 1/6. D. 1/5. Correct answer is B. 1/3. Explanation. New Brunswick is the only officially bilingual province, and about 1/3 of the population lives and works in French. Question 29. On which of the following mountains is New Brunswick situated? A. Appalachian. B. K2. C. Yukon. D. Rocky. Correct answer is A. Appalachian. Explanation. New Brunswick is located on the Appalachian mountain range. Question 30. Atlantic region of Canada contains the following provinces: Newfoundland and Labrador, New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island, and A. Ontario. B. Yukon. C. Alberta. D. Nova Scotia. Correct answer is D. Nova Scotia. Explanation. Atlantic provinces contain Newfoundland and Labrador, New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island, and Nova Scotia. Central Canada. Question 31. The Central Canada region contains how many provinces? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Correct answer is A. 2. Explanation. Central Canada region contains 2 provinces. Question 32. Which of the following is Canada's largest producer of hydroelectricity? A. Quebec. B. Ontario. C. Manitoba. D. Victoria. Correct answer is A. Quebec. Explanation. Quebec is Canada's largest hydroelectricity producer. Question 33. Which of the following is Canada's second largest city and the world's second largest, mainly French-speaking city in the world after Paris? A. St. John. B. Winnipeg. C. Victoria. D. Montreal. Correct answer is D. Montreal. Explanation. Montreal is Canada's second largest city as well as world's second largest French-speaking city after Paris. Question 34. Which of the following is the largest city of Canada as well as country's main financial center? A. Winnipeg. B. Toronto. C. Regina. D. Victoria. Correct answer is B. Toronto. Explanation. Toronto is the largest city in Canada and the country's main financial center. Question 35. How many lakes are located between Ontario and the United States? A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. D. 7. Correct answer is B. 5. Explanation. There are 5 lakes present between Ontario and the United States. Question 36. Ontario contains what percentage of Canadian citizens overall? A. 25%, 1/4. B. 33%, 1/3. C. 50%, 1/2. D. 75%, 3/4. Correct answer is B. 33%, 1/3. Explanation. At more than 12 million, the people of Ontario make up more than 1/3 of Canadians. Question 37. What fraction of the people in Canada live in cities and towns near the Great Lakes and the St. Lawrence River in southern Quebec and Ontario? A. 1/3. B. 1/2. C. 1/4. D. 1/5. Correct answer is B. 1/2. Explanation. More than half the people in Canada live in cities and towns near the Great Lakes and the St. Lawrence River in southern Quebec and Ontario. Question 38. Which of the following is the largest freshwater lake in the world? A. Lake Erie. B. Lake Ontario. C. Lake Superior. D. Lake Mackenzie. Correct answer is C. Lake Superior. Explanation. Lake Superior is the largest freshwater lake in the world. Question 39. How many people live in Quebec, especially along or near the St. Lawrence River? A. 7 million. B. 8 million. C. 9 million. D. 10. Correct answer is B. 8 million. Explanation. Nearly 8 million people live in Quebec. The Prairie Provinces. Question 40. Which of the following is the capital of Alberta? A. St. John. B. Charlottetown. C. Iqaluit. D. Edmonton. Correct answer is D. Edmonton. Explanation. Edmonton is the capital city of Alberta. Question 41. Which of the following province was once known as the breakfast of the world? A. Manitoba. B. Ontario. C. Quebec. D. Saskatchewan. Correct answer is D. Saskatchewan. Explanation. Saskatchewan was once known as the breakfast of the world. Question 42. Which of the following is the home of the Training Academy of the Royal Canadian Mounted Police? A. Saskatchewan. B. Victoria. C. Regina. D. Montreal. Correct answer is C. Regina. Explanation. Regina, the capital, is home to the Training Academy of the Royal Canadian Mounted Police. Question 43. Which of the following is the headquarters of the mining industry and an important educational, research and technology center? A. Regina. B. Saskatoon. C. Toronto. D. Montreal. Correct answer is B. Saskatoon. Explanation. Saskatoon, the largest city, is the headquarters of the mining industry and an important educational, research and technology center. Question 44. Which Canadian province produces most of the oil and gas for Canada? A. Quebec. B. Alberta. C. Yukon. D. Newfoundland and Labrador. Correct answer is B. Alberta. Explanation. Alberta is the largest producer of oil and gas, and the oil sands in the north are being developed as a major energy source. Question 45. Prairie provinces contains the most? A. Fertile farmlands in the world. B. Oil reserves in the world. C. Coal reserves in the world. D. Freshwater lakes in the world. Correct answer is A. Fertile farmlands in the world. Explanation. Prairie provinces contain the most fertile farmland in the world. Question 46. Alberta has 5 national parks, including Banff National Park, established in A. 1885. B. 1890. C. 1895. D. 1900. Correct answer is A. 1885. Explanation. Alberta has 5 national parks, including Banff National Park, established in 1885. Question 47. Which of the following province contains the largest number of Aboriginal population? A. New Brunswick. B. Montreal. C. Manitoba. D. Ontario. Correct answer is C. Manitoba. Explanation. Manitoba contains the largest population of Aboriginal citizens of any other provinces at over 15%. Question 48. Saskatchewan, once known as the breadbasket of the world and the wheat province, contains what fraction of the total arable land in Canada? A. 30%. B. 40%. C. 50%. D. 60%. Correct answer is B. 40%. Explanation. Saskatchewan, once known as the breadbasket of the world and the wheat province, has 40% of the arable land in Canada. The West Coast. Question 49. Which of the following is the capital city of British Columbia? A. Winnipeg. B. Quebec City. C. Victoria. D. Yellowknife. Correct answer is C. Victoria. Explanation. Victoria is the capital city of British Columbia. Question 50. Which of the following port is the gateway to Asia Pacific? A. Port of Vancouver. B. Port of Quebec. C. Port of Montreal. D. Port of New Brunswick. Correct answer is A. Port of Vancouver. Explanation. The Port of Vancouver is our gateway to the Asia Pacific. Question 51. Which of the following is a tourist center and headquarters of the Navy's Pacific Fleet? A. Montreal. B. Victoria. C. New Brunswick. D. Winnipeg. Correct answer is B. Victoria. Explanation. The capital, Victoria, is a tourist center and headquarters of the Navy's Pacific Fleet. Question 52. How many provincial parks does British Columbia have? A. 900. B. 800. C. 600. D. 700. Correct answer is C. 600. Explanation. British Columbia contains approximately 600 provincial parks. Question 53. About 1/2 of all the goods produced in British Columbia are A. Natural resources. B. Automobile products. C. Forestry products. D. Oil products. Correct answer is C. Forestry products. Explanation. About 1/2 of all the goods produced in BC are forestry products. Question 54. British Columbia, BC, on the Pacific coast, is Canada's westernmost province, with a population of A. 5 million, B. 4 million, C. 3 million, D. 2 million. Correct answer is B. 4 million. Explanation. British Columbia, BC, on the Pacific coast, is Canada's westernmost province, with a population of 4 million. The Northern Territories. Question 55. Which of the following is the capital of Yukon Territory? A. Yellow Moon, B. White Knife, C. White Horse, D. Yellow Horse. Correct answer is C. White Horse. Explanation. White Horse is the capital of Yukon. Question 56. Which of the following region is often referred to as the Land of Midnight Sun? A. Atlantic, B. Northern Territories, C. Central Canada, D. West Coast. Correct answer is B. Northern Territories. Explanation. The North is often referred to as the Land of the Midnight Sun. Question 57. Which of the following has long cold winters and short cool summers? A. Atlantic, B. Central Canada, C. West Coast, D. Northern Territories. Correct answer is D. Northern Territories. Explanation. The Northern Territories have long cold winters and short cool summers. Question 58. Which of the following is called the Diamond Capital of North America? A. Quebec City, B. Montreal, C. Yellowknife, D. Victoria. Correct answer is C. Yellowknife. Explanation. The capital, Yellowknife, population 20,000, is called the Diamond Capital of North America. Question 59. Which is the second largest river system in North America? A. The Mackenzie River System, B. St. John River System, C. Mississippi River System, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. The Mackenzie River System. Explanation. The Mackenzie River, at 4,200 kilometers, is the second longest river system in North America after the Mississippi and drains an area of 1.8 million square kilometers. Question 60. What fraction of Canada's total land mass is covered by the Northwest Territories, Nunavut and Yukon? A. 1/2, B. 1/3, C. 1/4, D. 1/5. Correct answer is B. 1/3. Explanation. The Northwest Territories, Nunavut and Yukon contain 1/3 of Canada's land mass. Question 61. The Northwest Territories, Nunavut and Yukon contain 1/3 of Canada's land mass with a population of A. 100,000, B. 200,000, C. 300,000, D. 400,000. Correct answer is A. 100,000. Explanation. The Northwest Territories, Nunavut and Yukon contain 1/3 of Canada's land mass but have a population of only 100,000. Question 62. Which of the following mountains is located in Yukon and is also considered the highest mountain in Canada? A. Mackenzie, B. Logan, C. Boar, D. Lawrence. Correct answer is B. Logan. Explanation. Mount Logan, located in the Yukon, is the highest mountain in Canada. Question 63. When was Nunavut, meaning our land in Inuktitut language, established from the eastern part of Northwest Territories? A. 1999, B. 1995, C. 1991, D. 1986. Correct answer is A. 1999. Explanation. Nunavut, meaning our land in Inuktitut, was established in 1999 from the eastern part of the Northwest Territories. Question 64. Thousands of miners came to the Yukon during the gold rush of the A. 1860s, B. 1890s, C. 1990s, D. 1910s. Correct answer is B. 1890s. Explanation. Nunavut, meaning our land in Inuktitut, was established in 1999 from the eastern part of the Northwest Territories. Question 65. Which province has a population of about 85% Inuit, and Inuktitut is the official and first language in schools there? A. Yukon, B. Northwest Territories, C. Alberta, D. Nunavut. Correct answer is D. Nunavut. Explanation. Nunavut has a population of about 85% Inuit, and Inuktitut is an official language and the first language in schools. The Canadian Rangers. Question 66. Which animal is the symbol of North of Canada? A. Beaver, B. Porcupine, C. Caribou, D. Camel. Correct answer is C. Caribou. Explanation. The caribou, reindeer, is a popular game for hunters and a symbol of Canada's north. Question 67. Which of the following is a part of the Canadian Forces Reserve, militia? A. Canadian Police, B. Canadian Rangers, C. Canadian Doctors, D. Canadian Army. Correct answer is B. Canadian Rangers. Explanation. Canada's vast north brings security and sovereignty challenges. Dealing with harsh weather conditions in an isolated region, the Canadian Rangers, part of the Canadian Forces Reserves, militia. Question 68. On which automobile do the Rangers travel in winter from the Resolute to the magnetic North Pole? A. Motorbike, B. Heat engine cars, C. Snowmobiles, D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Snowmobiles. Explanation. The Rangers travel by snowmobile in the winter and all-terrain vehicles in the summer from Resolute to the magnetic North Pole.